Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but to establish some context here. Today, very, very nice move, especially when you factor in that just on Thursday, the price was all the way down there. So for the price to work its way back up to where it is, I mean, don't get me wrong, still a lot of work needs to be done, but relatively speaking, from where it was to where it is right now, a nice move, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the $1.60 mark. Now, $1.60, why is that important? Well, I'm not saying this will happen, but for explanation purposes, let's say that the price actually comes down to $1.60 and then just continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would have the price quite literally right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down here, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $1.60. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch, going to be right there at the $2 mark. So $2, and this is going to be a level that a lot of people will be watching because it's become very apparent now after today's data has shown up, meaning that's right where it got rejected this morning, and that's where it's got rejected previously. So every breakout player and their mother's uncle is going to be watching that $2 mark. So keep an eye on that going forward. But all in all, nice movement today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.